Today in this video I have come to try out Asian lunch buffet at one of the famous Asian restaurants in Mumbai. I have come to Asia Kitchen by Mainland China located in Sakinaka. So what's in store for you? Keep on watching till the end of this video. This is vegetarian dumplings and cottage cheese. For the starters, we are starting off with this chicken moncha soup, and our table is all spread up with most of the chicken and vegetarian appetizers. For example, this is chicken basil dim sums, and here we've got chili chicken. So these are all vegetarian and chicken starters that's got landed on our table right now, and here's my first bite with this chili chicken. The flavors are really good. The soups are best taken when it's piping hot and it is tasting super, very delectable. The flavors are really good. The garlic in it is like top notch and it's all loaded with a lot of Asian vegetables. There's beans, chicken, and a lot of capsicum and carrots, soy sauce. Next, I'm trying on this pan fried chili fish. It is looking absolutely delectable. It's very saucy. Do you want to have a bite? And it's all loaded with veggies and a lot of sauce over here. There's onion, capsicum, red and green, of course. And it tastes very tangy and spicy at the same time. And the fish is so tender, I must tell you. Now you can see here's this dim sum basket. So of course there will be dim sums in it. I have ordered this chicken basil dim sums from their express lunch menu, and all the details about this express lunch menu I will mention in the description box below. You can check it out, and also about the location. Putting a little bit of chili oil. From the buffet's main course, I have taken only non-vegetarian, and it's all fish and chicken over here. One section is a non-veg section and the other side is the vegetarian section. So only I've taken the chicken and fish items on my plate. So I have taken chicken fried rice, chicken hakka noodles, and there is fish and hot garlic sauce. And there is General Pao's favorite chicken. It's all entree, the gravy side, alongside my fried rice and hakka noodles. One by one, I'm gonna dig in and taste and tell you how all it tastes like. So first, I am digging onto this chicken fried rice along with the chicken gravy. The chicken is so soft, and the sauce and this gravy, the flavors are really good. This chicken gravy doesn't have any vegetables, so it's all gravy, sauces, and the fried chicken in this chicken gravy. And the other one is this fish in hot garlic sauce. This fish is so tender. I mean, जैसे ही कट किया वो इजीली कट हो गया बासा फिश बासा ही लग रहा है मुझे it's this fish gravy is very sweet. That is why it's called fish in hot garlic sauce. So all the garlicky flavors and the flavors are really good. My friend has taken vegetable hakka noodles. There's a sauce called exotic vegetables in roasted garlic sauce. Japanese yellow curry. This is the Japanese yellow curry. As you can see, it's all loaded with zucchini and everything. Hong Kong vegetable roundel in chili saga. That one. I think it's a cutlet of a vegetable in all dipped in chili sauce and exotic veggies. How is it? In today's express lunch buffet, from their desserts menu, they have honey fried noodles with vanilla ice cream. There is hot chocolate roll and chocolate brownie. So I have taken each of the items because I cannot resist desserts, as you must all know. Let's proceed with how these taste like, and it's all looking yummylicious. So first things first, I'm really looking forward to this honey fried noodles with almond flakes in it, and I'm gonna mix it with vanilla ice cream because that is what the combination is. And it's an authentic Asian dessert that you will find in almost all the Asian restaurants, as it is here in this express lunch buffet menu at Asia Kitchen by Mainland China. The taste is crunchy because it's all fried, the noodles are fried, and what makes it soft is its combination with vanilla ice cream. And both the combination of vanilla ice cream and this fried noodles are awesome. It's very sweet, and it's a flavorful, crunchy, sweet combination. Too good. Next is this hot chocolate cigar roll. Cigar I'm saying, but it's hot chocolate roll and it's hot actually, it's warm and it's crunchy on the outside, but what's inside is the brownie. It's amazing. This is the first time that I'm tasting this kind of dessert. It's crispy on the outside and chocolate brownie on the inside, and it's warm. It will taste very good if you will eat it hot. So I'm just loving it. I'm digging onto this chocolate brownie with vanilla ice cream. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching all the delicious Asian food at this express lunch buffet. And for all the details regarding the rates of this lunch buffet is here. As you can check it out, the price of this lunch buffet is Monday to Tuesday, 625 rupees, which is excluding tax, and Wednesday to Sunday it's rupees 675 excluding tax. Food here is absolutely amazing. And have you been to this restaurant? Then please let me know in the comments down below. Till then, I will see you in the next food eating video. Bye.